2015 nung nag-move ako sa North America. Nauna si wife ng ilang taon dito tapos sumunod ako. Spent few years to the other country before I moved here to the land of promise, which is Canada. We have no idea what life gonna bring us. But one thing I know for sure, God is always good. Few years then, we started to build our own family. Now, this is Kai, Jiro, Faith, the mommy, and me, the daddy. Saan man kami dalhin ng panahon, ang importante, ang mahalaga. We are the Tarifa Milya. Tara, sama kayo sa aming buhay, Canada. Ay. Magandang umaga. Ay, kagigising ko lang. Tulog pa yung mga kasama ko. So, alas 8 na umaga dito. Grabe guys. Look at that. Gigising ka ng ganito yung makikita mong view. Grabe. Nature na nature ang dating. So ayan, mamaya titignan namin yung ilog doon. So tapos na ang isang gabi. Karaos na ang isang gabi namin, isang gabi pa. So mamaya may darating pa kaming mga ibang kasama. So ayan, napakaganda ng view dito. Pagising mo sa umaga, maririnig mo yung mga huni ng ibon. Saka yung mga magtataas ang puno, bundok. Enjoy lang natin yung view dito, ang stay natin. Relax lang tayo and let's just have fun and enjoy the view. Morning, Kai. Morning, Mommy. Jiro's awake too. No, they're not out yet. They're still inside the tent. You need to drink water first. You just woke up. Come here. Sit down first. Drink water. Come here, Nak. They're still inside.
I'll just check the weather.
It's cold.
It's nice out.
Yeah? It's nice now?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I can go out.
Hey, wait. Drink water. Found it? You watch out around you. Wait, you get your boots there on the side, Jiro. Don't step down. I'll go get it. I'll go first. Oh, here's your boots. Come here. Sige na. Hi, Top. Good morning. You can sit if you want. We're gonna cook pancit canton, okay?
Pancit canton?
Yeah.
What do you mean pancit
I
canton?
know that's your favorite to ate, right?
What is that? My teacher told me that. You're not. You eat breakfast first. Eat breakfast first.
Na ano?
Breakfast first. Whose chair is this? I mean, whose table is this? I don't know. Good morning, Marsha. Good morning. Where's Al? Good morning. Where's Abril? Why?
So ayan guys, ayan magandang umaga uli. So ganito dito sa bundok, sa gubat. Kung ano lang ang meron ka, kung ano lang pwede mong gawin, yun na yun. Huwag ka lang mapili sa anong pwede mong gawin dahil dito sa bundok, walang komportableng tulugan, walang washroom dito, walang signal dito, walang internet. So talagang may enjoy mo lang yung nature, yung tanawin, yung mga puno, yung mga bundok, yung mga nilikha ng Diyos. Grabe guys, ang ganda. Anytime pwede ka maka-encounter ng mga wildlife, let's say mga cougar, yung mountain lions, yung mga especially bear, pero sana wag naman. So dapat lagi kang handa, lagi kang prepare, meron kang pang self-defense. Parang sa buhay natin, di ba? Kahit anumang problema yan, malaki man yan o maliit, at meron kang mindset sa sarili mo na alam mo na matatapos din yan, diba? Lahat ng bagay naman may katapusan, and of course lagi tayong magpasalamat sa Kanya. Alright, let's go, let's do this.
Headlights on the highway, if you only knew, being back here always makes me think of you.
When the world is sleeping, do you think of me? With the road ahead's coming back again, coming back to me. I remember the long drives, the late nights in your car. I remember it all. Windows down, empty streets, you were all I used to know. You and I, forever, forever ago. And you used to drive me home. Now I drive alone. You and I, forever, forever, forever ago. This town's so quiet this time of year, with the road ahead's coming back again, coming back to me. I remember the long drives, the late nights in your car. I remember it all. Windows down, empty streets, you were all I used to know. You and I, forever, forever ago. And you used to drive me home. Now I drive alone. You and I, forever, forever, forever ago. I feel hard, I feel fast, and my love for you.
I
Pwede
get
palang
the
ipatong.
black and red. Well, I am a girl Power Ranger. I can change black and blue.
Bote ka, panagdakan bote. Ala ka.
Nahanda kaming bote.
Bote, no? Dede, ala kaming cooler. Sabi natin, Mark, ikatamo namin kahit tataluyan.
Right now.
Tulungan natin sila mag-build ng tent. Ha? Doon? Diretso? Puntayin natin yung ilog doon mamaya.
Makaturang ka, Ken.
Pinag-effect mo na. Malambot ang lupa dito doon, bato-bato
You want me to be captain? Baby, your rope is
Parang ka na kaya kayo.
Ali, malapad.
Malapad dyan. Gaba para halos semi. So pupunta kami dun sa kanto kasi meron pa kaming isang kasamang paparating. Kasi dito wala signal, din namin sila makontak. So maglalagay kami ng palatandaan. May sasabit kami ng palatandaan doon sa kanto para alam nila na nandun kami. Alright. So andito na kami sa highway. Actually dito sa Baku-Bakung daan. Bago ka makapasok dito. Ayan. Doon yung spot namin. Papasok ka pa sa looban. Medyo looban siya ng konti. Ano, diyan mo na lang sasabit? Lagay namin palatandaan. Hopefully makita niya para makapasok siya dun sa lugar namin doon. Kaya naman niya isasakyan dito. Hindi palalim na naman, palalim kasi ito pre. Dahil yung mga sasakyan dinadaanan nila tsaka mga 4x4.
Dalan?
Karen? Left or right pare? Left. Pare, pumapatak ang snow.
Snow nga.
May snow na pumapatak. O pero konti lang naman. Bilog, pero bilog-bilog. Hindi flex. Nandito na kami malapit dun sa site namin. Dumaan kami doon sa likod. Try namin silang gulatin. Yeah. Kaya pare, pipindutin ko yung ano mamaya. Pare, pindutin ko yung whistle. Mamaya doon. Pagdating doon. Ayun sila. Ayun yung tent namin. Nandito kami sa likod. Tao. Lapin. It's a prank! You guys are so brave! Ang tatapang nila, talagang lumusong sila dito. You guys are brave! I saw my camera? Oh, go back na. Sige na, go back. May dala naman siyang 2x2 eh. It's snowing. I guess it's snowing. All right, this is gonna be fun. Ay. Tapos na ang ulan. Ayan, kakaidlip lang namin. Ayan, lumabas na sila. Tignan natin ang labas kung anong itsura. Ayan, look at that. Oh. Hi, Marsha. Tapos na ang ulan. Kakatapos lang umulan, medyo matagal-tagal din yung ulan na yan, mga 1 oras din eh, Kam. Grabe. Mas malamig pa. my jacket. Siguro mga alas 5 na ng hapon, alas 4 na ng hapon. Medyo matagal-tagal din yung ulan na yon. At least tumila na. Okay lang naman, kasama talaga yan sa camping. Hindi mo, lalo na dito sa Canada, hindi mo alam kung, hindi mo ma-predict kung ano magiging weather sa mga darating na oras. Enjoy naman din ng mga bata kahit umuulan. And tumila na. Medyo makulimlim nga lang pero tumila na yung ulan. Sabi nila lahat ng bagay dito sa mundo may kabaliktaran. May dilim, may liwanag, may maputi, may maitim, may maaraw, may maulan. Kaya kahit makulimlim o maulan, okay lang yan. May katapusan lahat ng negatibong bagay na dumaraan sa ating buhay. Kaya tuloy-tuloy lang, positibo lang. Alright, let's go!
Windows down, empty streets. You were all I used to know. You and I, forever, forever ago. And you used to drive me home. Now I drive alone. You and I, forever, forever, forever ago.
Let's go to the ilog!
Let's go!
Sing na ako ah. Kaya lalawin ka eh.
So baby, okay, well, can you maybe sit our cousin? No, it was. Where do you live? Do you live in Canada? Yeah. I was born in the Philippines. Oh, my mom was born in the Philippines. You forgot about me. You grow up here.
Boys will be boys. You know that boys will be boys? Yeah, girls will be girls.
I'm gonna find out. Okay, don't try. No. Too slow.
You wanna move fast, you move fast.
Mommy,
I'm not gonna go with you.
Naiwan?
Boom. If I hit it hard, I'll blow.
Ang linaw. Ay! Lamig. Malamig ang tubig. Punta kami dito sa loob, kaloob-looban ng mga puno, gubat. Tara, let's go.
How many?
Anong gagawin niyo dyan pang ano? Self-defense? Ayun.
Sakita mo. Mountain.
Daddy, remember we don't step on takla like this.
This is not takla, it's a mud.
No, it's not. Mom,
Look at the ilog, oh. It's so nice, oh.
why is the ilog like that?
The water is so clean.
Yeah, super clean. Now you forgot our boat.
Yeah. Because we have a lot of stuff.
Kabayat kasi ito.
Nakal at saka matrabaho. Matrabaho din siya.
Yan mo muna, i-plate mo eh. Then i-ano mo dun sa...
Sa taas.
Yun, oo, yun. Oo.
Pwede yun.
Why they go super high? Stop.
Oh, we need to go down.
Daddy, look fun. Is there an alligator here?
No,
What is here? Nothing?
nothing.
Just bears?
Just bears.
Why can't there be anything here? It's muddy. Crocodiles can live here. And snakes. Right, Dad?
Not the snake.
Mountain snakes, right, Dad?
Anong balita dyan?
What?
It's time to rain. Ngayon guys, medyo mahaba yung lakaran. Hopefully, andyan na yung ilog. Kasi medyo kumukulimlim na naman yung panahon. It's okay, hindi naman ganong kalamigan. Alright, tuloy-tuloy lang. Let's go. Follow Mami. Yeah, we're gonna be behind, so we can protect the one in front of us. Ah, ang daming ilog ah. Yan yun. Yan banda rin. Ano pare? O ka rin niya. Kadugtong na yun eh. Kadugtong na to ng ilog eh. Yung ilog na malawak. Jiro, don't go down ha. Kayo wait, don't run. Na ano? Wala lang daan? Wala lang daan? Oh. Ang problema, yun nga. Back out. Back out.
Oh, pwede men. Doon ka tatawid. Doon ka sa kabila.
Yung dati, no?
Ayun lang. Yung may ano.
I don't know. Yung may bato-batong konti. Sarap maligo kaso sobrang lamig ng tubig. So ayan, walang access doon, so pwede naman kami tumawid ng tubig, ng ilog dito sa ano. Kaso may mga bata. Lumot.
What's lumot?
What? How was it? How was it?
What is good? What's that? What's the green?
That's lumot.
At dahil wala na nga kaming access sa aming dadaanan at palagay namin mahihirapan yung mga bata, kaya naman nagdesisyon na lang kami bumalik na, gawa ng sumasama na rin ang panahon.
Watch your step, ha? This way.
Why?
There's a lot of takla.
Why do deer?
There's deer poop.
I hate it.
Ayan, mga tae ng yung mga tae ng deer. Step this guy, okay? Alright, good job. Keep going. Let's keep on going. Motorcycle, sabi. Let's go!
Headlights on the highway. If you only knew, being back here always makes me think of you.
When the world is sleeping, do you think of me? With the road it's coming back again, coming back to me. I remember the long drives, the late nights in your car. I remember it all. Windows down, empty streets, you were all I used to know. You and I, forever, forever ago. And you used to drive me home. Now I drive alone. You and I, forever, forever.
Marsha! Come here.
Sinisana yung may tao yung marakon.
Don't throw rocks.
Yeah, put that on fire. Guys, it disappeared. I see something fire.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves and get a job. We didn't care what we were told, 'cause when we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17,